guys, and welcome to my channel. Today is going to be all about an introduction to what my YouTube channel is going to grow to be and what I want to see come from it. I'm getting more and more excited every single day that I actually did start a channel, even though I had no idea what I wanted to do. I just jumped in, hoped for the best, and now I'm getting a feeling of what it is I actually want to accomplish with a channel and the kind of content that I want to bring you guys, and I'm really excited about it. So I just wanted to sit down today and kind of talk about what this is all about. What to expect from my channel. So obviously what I've been doing are like clay tutorials where I'm showing you guys how I make what I make, and from palm tops to keychains to chibis, and I want to continue to do that. And I also want to start a series, or maybe not a series, but like a line of videos that kind of show some tips on making environmental textures like grass and rocks and moss and water and all those kinds of things that are really in-depth, dive into in-depth explanations on how I make certain textures, especially in my really small figures. And I also would really like to do some product reviews on different things. I have a few lined up of things that I really want to try, like some unusual clays, or I want to test out different, put some things head to head, like glazes or different brands of paint, things like that. I think that would be a really fun experiment for everyone, really. I think that, sometimes I'm not sure. I've been using the same Fimo glaze for like 7 years, and maybe there's something better out there. So I really want to try different things. I also want to go in depth on some of the items that I have made, kind of showing not how I made them necessarily, because I don't film every single thing that I make, but kind of a in-depth showcase, if you will, of the items that I make throughout the month that are not shown on my channel. So you can kind of see them from all angles, and I can give a bit more explanation on the process that went into it while not necessarily showing you how I made it, if that makes sense. It makes sense to me. Also, I love to sell at conventions. I don't sell as much as I used to. I was doing like 9 cons a year, and now I do like 4. And there's a lot that goes into selling at conventions, and there's a lot more information out there now than there was when I started about how to get ready and what kind of items to bring, how to store things. But I still don't think there's that much information for handmade sellers, as far as, selling jewelry and crafts and things like that. And obviously things are going to be different. The way that I package and transport my clay pieces are going to be totally different than my friend who sells plushies. It's not going to be the same. So I'm going to kind of walk you guys on how I do what I do to get ready for conventions, and hopefully you can learn from it, or you can see what really goes on behind the scenes in getting ready for these things. I've shared pictures on like my Facebook and Instagram on, crazy prep scenes and stuff like that, but there's so much that goes into getting ready for a convention, from items made to packaging to what am I going to send these away to the customer with, and how am I going to display everything. What if something breaks? What if this goes wrong? Do I have this? Do I have that? And it's definitely a learning process. I've learned a lot. I've made lots of mistakes, but hopefully I can share some information down the line that can help save someone else from making those same mistakes. So once I have another convention booked, I can start going more in depth on what it takes or what I do to get ready for conventions. Well, I think that is all I have as far as an introduction on what to expect from my channel and things that you are definitely going to see in the future. If you have anything that you want to see from me, you know, if you want to see to learn how to make certain things or whatever, please comment below and let me know what it is you're interested in seeing. I'm so inspired and I'm so ready to see what you want to see and things that I want to do, and it's just very exciting, and I hope you will continue to join me on this journey through YouTube. And that is it. And so I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.